You cannot achieve any goal if you don't take action. I use that phrase, turn hope into action, in my book. When I go through and I give you the daily challenge and the questions and the activities, because I give you how I came to learn about these healing insights and how I applied them. And then I give you the content to be able to look inside yourself and at your life and realize how you can make that an action and take action in your own life. It's not that you're incapable of achieving these self-improvement goals. It's that there's so many things, little things that are up against us. And until we get around those, we can't achieve them. Only 1% of people succeed because our brain and our body, our subconscious mind gets in the way. And I talk about all of that in my book. I teach how to get around that and how to use the power of the mind, positive thoughts, and an abundant mindset to be able to accomplish your goals and to improve all areas of your life. I know that's a huge promise. But believe me, if you apply these 70 healing insights to your life consistently, you will see the changes that you want, not only in your life, but in the world. So I challenge you to pick up my book. It's on Amazon and all the other major retailers. And also realize that it's not just a book about my story and how screwed up I realized I was. It's a book about how I learned about the law of attraction and how I realized that I could be a co-creator and that I am a co-creator with that higher power, and how I was blocking all of my blessings. So I hope that you will realize it also has 10 of my favorite activities and daily challenges from my 70 Healing Insights course. So there's space in there for you to write notes and to answer the questions and to challenge yourself and take those daily challenges. So check it out. It's a big book. It's the size of a sheet of paper. So there's plenty of space for you to use it like a journal. And that's what I intended it for, is to be a book that you can actually use to move you through the improvements that you're trying to make. So I hope that you will definitely check it out.